friends, to continue with the Easter theme, today we're going to draw some Easter eggs. So you can grab a marker, a pen, or a pencil. Any marker that you'd like or color pencil will be just fine. Today I'm going to use a pencil and an eraser to show you how you can draw Easter eggs. Sometimes it's hard to get that oval shape, and I know when I was growing up, when I used around Easter time, I'd always create an Easter drawing of some sort, and they'd always include Easter eggs. And so sometimes we draw an Easter egg in the shape of a circle, but today we're going to do it in an oval shape. So we'll start about here, and you'll curve a line like so, and another way to do it is you can bring it all the way around here until you reach the top, and you'll just make that top a little curved and narrow. And we'll draw another one here. You can draw it this way, where you draw half of it first, and then you can finish it and bring it all the way around to the top. And see, that was a little wobbly, but I'll straighten that out with the pencil. And that's a good reason to draw with a pencil a lot of times, because you can go back over something and then erase the lines that you do not want. But again, art is not perfect, and your drawing and whatever you're drawing does not have to be perfect. It's whatever you want it to be. And a lot of times when we make mistakes, it actually turns out to be a nice thing, because you can get creative with that, you can add things to it. And so for here, I'm actually going to show you how, like, if you have a oval like this, but you want to just go back over it with it more and curve it to try to get that visual of an egg shape, that oval, you can do so just like I did here. And then you erase the lines that you don't want. So I'm just erasing that top part because I curved it a little bit more. And to show you another way to draw an egg, you can go back through any of these shapes and create more of that oval shape, and again, erase the lines that you do not want, like so. And another way to draw an egg is you can start with the circle, like here. I'm starting with the circle, and then I draw the egg within the circle, so I could get more of a defined oval shape, like so. And I'll bring it around and just go back over it. And there's a pretty good egg shape, an oval, and I'm going to erase those lines on the side from that circle. And there I have my eggs. So I'm just going back over that. And again, you can go back over them or not at all. However you want your eggs to, eggs aren't even shaped perfect. So you can go back over them just to get more of a defined shape that you'd like. And again, eggs could even be, if it's in your head, do you want a square egg? You can draw a square egg. Eggs can be your art can be whatever you'd like it to be. So now what we're going to do, I'm just going back over this one a little bit just to get that shape, because that one side was a little wobbly. It definitely was a wobbly egg. So I'm just gonna go back over that some more with my pencil, like so. And a lot of times it is that second time or third time sometimes when you go over something that you start seeing the shape that you want. So if you draw something one time, don't get frustrated if it doesn't look like what you wanted it to. Just try again or go back over it. A lot of times that helps your vision come out and come to life. So I'm just gonna go over these very quickly to just define them a little bit more so I can get them ready for our decorating. And now for the really fun part is decorating our eggs. So feel free to get creative. Just think of different ideas. You can start as simple as I am with a line, and I'm just going to try to create a pattern. So I'll duplicate if I do one thing, I'm going to do it again. So I'll have a pattern, and then I can color within those lines. So here I did 2 lines, 2 squiggly lines, then 2 more lines straight across. And on the next one, I'm just going to, let's see, do a curved line at the top, a curved line at the bottom to try to match that top line. And let's see, let's do some flowers. So feel free, if you don't want to do flowers, draw something else. These are your Easter eggs. You decorate them however you want them to look. Make them your own. So you add your own personality, your own creativity to your eggs. These are simply just ideas or examples just to give you some idea and to show you different ways to decorate Easter eggs. So it's all about a pattern sometimes. So here I'm copying what I did at the top so I can have a pattern going on my egg. And the colors will be pretty much similar for me, but you can color your eggs however you want them to. Once you get them all decorated, you can add any color, and they do not necessarily have to be Easter egg colors or your pinks, your purples, your blues. You can add orange, green, red, whatever colors you like. And so see, for this, the one I just did was just simple lines. Here I'm going to draw clouds. I'm going to put a little cloud at the top, a little cloud at the bottom. I'm just going to add some circles, just these circles, and I'm going to do that again at the top, again to create a pattern. And I'll do a squiggly line, another squiggly line underneath to close that. And then I'll do a line right in the middle. And with this one, we'll do a squiggly line, zigzag line straight across, and another zigzag line all the way across, like so, to match the top one. And then I'll just add a few circles, little circles like so. I think a little squiggly line there and another one to close it. I'm just gonna copy what I just did at the top to make another pattern. There we go. And let's see, for this one, let's do what we did up here. I'll put flowers, but I'm going to put them all over the egg. This is what I choose to do, but please decorate your eggs exactly how you want them to. You don't have to do flowers. You can do circles all over your eggs. You can do squares, you can do clouds, whatever. You could even draw a tree on your Easter egg. Yes, you can. And I'm looking forward to hearing how you all decorated your Easter eggs. I hope when you do create your Easter projects this weekend, drawings, or when you're decorating the actual eggs, I hope that you'll think about this tutorial and use some of these ideas from the drawing your oval shape for your eggs to the various decorating ideas, from the lines, the squigglies, to the clouds. I hope you have fun, and remember, art is fun. There are no mistakes in art, and your art does not have to be perfect. Give it your personality, use your favorite colors, use your favorite shapes. It is what you want it to be. And I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Please leave a comment down below. I will enjoy reading them and I look forward to seeing them. And please subscribe if you haven't already. And until next time, friends.